Welcome to another exciting edition of Would You Buy It here on Track Us Down.
And the answer to that question is immediately yes.
What a better way to start a better second half of life here at the Savoy Monumentalis at the Savoy
Monumentalis. Welcome back to Track Us Down. If you're just finding us, I'm Monique.
And I'm Doug. Our channel is all about retiring early, moving abroad, but mostly living a better second half of life. And what a better way to start a better second half of life than here at the Savoy Monumentalis in the Lido in Funchal. This is a beautiful condo and another edition of Would You Buy It? We can't wait to show you. Come on, let's go in and take a look.
The Savoy Monumentalis is part of the Savoy Hotel Group. You might have heard of the Savoy Hotels. They're a luxury hotel chain and definitely somewhere to stay if you come to Funchal or Madeira. Now they also have the Savoy Monumentalis, which is luxury condominiums here in the heart of Lido.
So today we are showing you a beautiful 2-bedroom condo here in the heart of Funchal. It is pure luxury. We can't wait to show you. This is about as good as it gets.
And we are going to show you all over this beautiful complex, including the rooftop pools, the infinity pools, and everything that there is to see, so that you have a good idea what is here at the Savoy Monumentalis.
I'd like to try and get the deserted islands out there too. It's actually kind of nice.
Now, this place is absolutely incredible. If you know about the Savoy, they're a group of hotels, the Savoy Hotels. They're synonymous with luxury, and this complex is absolutely synonymous with luxury. It is probably one of the most, if not the most beautiful complex in Madeira.
As Monique said, Savoy is known around the world, especially in Europe and Portugal, as having high-end luxury hotel accommodations. Here on Madeira and all through Europe, they've won awards for their Savoy Palace Hotel in Funchal, as well as the Savoy Sacarium just on the west side of this island, and they build their luxury condos to suit. When we moved here close to 4 years ago, this was just an empty lot and the construction began. We watched it develop and we knew it was going to be something special.
With that in mind, we are going to show you all over this beautiful condominium complex. We're going to show you everything. Take a look. So here at the Savoy Monumentalis, there's tons of apartments that have an amazing sea view, but there's also several apartments tucked away in the back here that have so much coziness and privacy. There's a couple that are for sale down here. There's something really cozy and sweet about these units. We actually really like these units. You can see the ocean just walking up here or when you're out and about. Every one of these units down here has its own little private pool and a beautiful garden view, and of course, amazing sunshine.
Monumentalis has 2 public pools here on the rooftop. One is this beautiful infinity pool. It's just amazing. And then they also have this nice pool to come and relax.
You just feel like you're somewhere else. You're kind of above the noise of the street below, but you're not quite really that high. And the infinity pool, your eyes go right from the pool water right to the ocean, which is pretty spectacular.
This is a great level to be at. For an infinity pool, you feel connected to the ocean here, but you don't feel super high. This is just a beautiful spot, this incredible view over the ocean.
From the lush gardens that we're in right now to the infinity pool to all the units and suites and all the high-end finishings, the beautiful view. Let's rewind and start at the beginning.
That's nice.
Wow, look at the view.
Wow.
This is nice. This is a great living space. There is over 1,700 square feet of total space here in this T2, this 2-bedroom condo in Estrada Monumentalis. These walls, this is a leather veneer and they have it on all the walls, all the way along here. It is such a luxury finish, a luxury texture. I've never seen anything like it before, but it is easy to wipe and it is just beautiful. It has a really nice feel to it and a really rich look. I think even this door is finished in a leather veneer. It's quite something. This is a beautiful concrete tile or a tile. It has very impressive visual and a very nice texture as well. Lots of great space, and this view is incredible. The floors are real hardwood again, which give it a nice contrast between here and the tile in the dining room. And it just has that upscale feel that you would want when you're living here on the Lido in Funchal.
Let's head into this luxury kitchen. Wow, if you love a galley style kitchen, and I do, you will love this kitchen. Everything in here is high quality, premium. We've got Bosch appliances. Everything is finished really nicely with smooth closures. And this is such a great little place to work on the computer or have breakfast or lunch and just chat with people in the rest of the apartment. There's a little sliding door if you want a little privacy for your cooking, or I guess if it's too bright and sunny for you, you can always close the door. Let's take a look at the kitchen closely. Look at this. This is for recycling and composting. They already have everything ready for you to put the little bags in for you to do your recycling. How convenient is that? Love that. The dishwasher is hidden, easy to access, in the smart place right beside the sink. This sink is fantastic. It's nice and deep for washing dishes. It's really well finished on the top. Plenty of cupboard space, self-closing cupboards, fantastic. So you'll notice here in this kitchen that there is accent lighting all the way along below. It just gives it that extra special little touch. And if you look down, there's also accent lighting down here below. Those are the little special things that Savoy Monumentalis offers. And I think you do get the vibe that these people are experienced making high quality premium hotel rooms. And that translates into the apartment where attention to detail is everywhere. Because it's that galley kitchen, they've kept everything streamlined and sleek. Check out this fridge. It's absolutely huge. Beautiful fridge. And this is the freezer. Again, check it out. Both Bosch appliances, freezer and fridge. And of course you have a Bosch microwave and a Bosch oven right here as well. Really well done. Every space has been utilized. You feel like you're in sort of a yacht kitchen. I love it. Easy closed drawers and a huge, huge pantry. This is really nice. It's already ready for things. Beautiful. So in Europe, in Madeira, a lot of times it's very common to have the washing machine in the kitchen or just right off the kitchen area. We've seen both ways. This way is really nice. It is off the kitchen, which makes sense, but it's a whole room for laundry and it's really well finished. Here, they're continuing with the Bosch appliances. They have a washer and a dryer and a little sink here for your prep. Really nice space to have your laundry right off the kitchen and the closable door.
Here we have the master bedroom. It is very unique. It is beautiful. There's a lot of really interesting features here that we're going to show you, starting with amazing hardwood floor. There's lots of room here for a big bed, a chair, and just to decorate the way you want. They have room on the wall for a TV or for art. And of course, you do have your own private balcony here as well. It does wrap around to the other two balconies from the living room and from the other bedroom. Beautiful foliage already put in here. Nice little place to sit and have morning coffee or an evening glass of wine, and an amazing view just above sea level out over the Atlantic Ocean. It doesn't get much better than this. But the main thing here is this beautiful ensuite built into the master bedroom. You don't want to miss a view from your own private balcony, so even the doors are see-through glass. You have dual sinks, one on each side, so plenty of room to get ready for bed or for the day. Big mirrors, lots of lighting. You have your own private WC, as they call it here. And then of course you have a stunning rain shower as well. Take a look at this. So this is a little different. I call this an exhibitionist type shower. When you're showering, you better be very close with your significant other because they are going to see everything here. You are lathering up, you are enjoying yourself in here, and you are on full exhibition to your significant other. View out over the ocean. It is wide open, just lots of open space.
So right as you enter the master bedroom, they have some storage space right here, which is great. What a nice use of space. But the best part is this incredible walk-in closet. Let's look inside. The light comes on automatically and it's all built in. It's all ready for you to hang your belongings with this chest of drawers here on the side. It's really well done. I would love to put all my belongings in here. Beautiful. So one thing to note in here is the lighting. They have this beautiful track lighting all around the top and the bottom and just gives that luxury kind of boutique feel to the closet. And then of course, because your belongings are so beautiful, it's a glass door. When you first enter the apartment, there is a social bathroom. As you know, here in Europe, we call them social bathrooms or guest bathroom. It's just one little room, but it's really well appointed. It's really nice. So here we are in the beautiful guest bedroom. Again, hardwood floors. This is a really big space. You could easily have a large queen or two doubles and night tables and a chair to sit. But the most beautiful part of this room is the view. You do have an access to the outside balcony from here and really high ceilings, pot lights. Let's take a look outside. How nice to wake up and just head right out here in the morning. Now, I called it a guest suite because it does come with an ensuite. There is a social bathroom when you walk in, but your guests will have their own washroom. Let's take a look at the washroom. Rain shower up above, beautiful shower, and you can see the ocean. The whole bathroom, as you can see, is done super modern. It's really, really nice. That beautiful tile everywhere. They have one of those floating boards here to put your products. Everything is really modern, spot for towels, easy to clean. And it's really nice because they do have a separate area for the toilet. It's completely finished in wood. It's very pretty in here. When you walk in from the hallway, you are greeted by this huge space. To the right is the master bedroom, and to the left is the guest bedroom, which is more like a guest suite. Again, the finishes are incredible with that leather on the walls, as well as this stone. Is it stone?
Tile.
As well as the tile on the walls. Super luxurious feel. You walk in and there's plenty of closet space here. Check this out. It's beautiful. Attention to detail everywhere. Very well done. And the closet here for shoes. And right around the corner, even more space for storage. They have not been cheap on the storage. You can easily keep all your belongings or your guests' belongings.
So as we mentioned, this particular unit is a T2, a two-bedroom. It is 1,700 square feet overall. Lots of room here between the living area, the bedroom on each side. It is a really good layout and it is so modern in here. The location is fantastic and the finishings are second to none.
So let's talk price, because that's what everybody's always wondering about. Prices for units in this building are around the €1 million mark. There are a few that are a little less than that, especially if you give up the view and you have more outdoor space that's sort of cozy. And of course, there are some that are a bit more as you start getting into T2, T3 and bigger units. So around the €1 million mark for an amazing luxury, high-end, maybe the most luxurious building in Madeira.
Now we watched this building being built over the last 3 years. Lots and lots of concrete being poured. It is a solid structure. It is prime location. There's no obstructing view and there never will be an obstructing view because there is a sports complex down below and the Lido, the walk along the ocean. So you will always have this amazing view with no obstruction. You get what you pay for here, and the finishings, the construction and the view say it all.
What about condo fees? Of course, there are condo fees to maintain a beautiful building like this. We're talking about rooftop gardens, 2 pools, and really nice flora everywhere. We've heard that the condo fees are around the €500 mark and up a month to take care of all of that and all the cleaning as well and the common spaces.
With 2 big pools, infinity pool, the gym, and all the flora, definitely you need proper maintenance and proper care. So it makes sense that you're going to pay to maintain that on a monthly basis. Still, compared to some places, most places in North America, the condo fees here are more than fair and more than manageable.
So if you are interested in a unit in this building, please let us know. We can put you in contact with our realtor. Check out our brand new trackasdown.com website, and on there you'll find a link under trusted referrals to a realtor that can help you find a place like this at the price points we talked about earlier. And if that's something you're interested in, it's time to look at it now.
www.trackisdown.com. Under our trusted referrals section, our real estate agent who has helped so many people realize their better second half of life, finding a place here in Madeira, can help you as well. It's that easy. There's many units here that are still available, some with an expansive ocean view and some with a very cozy private pool and garden view. Those are the ones that I actually prefer, are the ones with the garden view. I just think they're so cozy and private from everybody, and you have your own little pool. What about you?
I think that's the trade-off, is that you might not see the ocean from those places, but it's super cozy and you get that little private pool, which I think we would make use of tons.
And it's a short little walk up to the top to see the ocean. We're talking 5 steps, so it's not like you're walking far to see the ocean. You have ocean all around you. You're surrounded with it.
And here in the Lido area, honestly, when you walk out front or out back, you're in the prime location. You can head to São Martinho to the right or to Old Town to the left. Everything here is walkable. You literally wouldn't need a car.
And speaking of car, there are 2 parking spots here. You get your own private parking box that fits 2 large vehicles. All your amenities are looked after, including a large storage area right across the hall from you and storage around your balcony. This place is decked out.
So I think if you're looking for a holiday home or a permanent residence, there's something here for you.
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us here as we toured Savoy Monumentalis. It is an amazing place. We're so happy to show it to you. Many people walk by and are always looking. It's nice to get inside and see it from this side.
So don't forget to check out our website, www.trackisdown.com. And as always, check back in and
Track us down.